Today is Sunday and we are back at the lake for my nephew's birthday. The weather's a little bipolar today, so it's sprinkling here and there and then it's sunny, a little bit of everything. Mossy is already on the playground. She took a nap, so she's got lots of energy. Lou is still sleeping in the car with her dad. Lala? Yeah, la. Gutom mo mang kayo? Kicking ah. Mama nhà chơi slide cha nhưng mà sát tới cha. Còn nói xí xé nè. Tại lô. Tụi mama chơi. Mama mới run dây cho playground nó cha. It's literally her favorite. She loves going down the slides. Good job. Hi, Mama luôn xí số. Xé mọi cha là nơi chính trai rồi. Nhưng mà xé tự cha nên cho nên daddy. Cái kinh hả? If là cái có cái thộp lực tại nó sợ mò. We're taking a little walk along the trail. Cứ tao nó rồi vợ cứ chỉ tao trail đó đi, and then this is also more here. Look good. The trail mà nó thế. And it's a little bit windy, so after the daddy they were freezing. The con già kín nó tí xíu đâu. But yeah, Mom. She's so cute in her sweater, y'all. She's so cute in blue. Cám trà đó. Nice. You just swallowed it. So what are you guys planning, just to grill or like fish too? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am finally home after this morning's doctor's appointment, and I went to 3 different thrift stores. I am going to take some of these pieces with me to Ocean Shore, so after this video I need to cut off the tags and wash them and then pack them into our luggage. The first thing I want to share are actually movies. I love thrifting for movies, and you guys know Mavis is in her princess phase right now, and finding Disney princess movies is so difficult. I love physical media. I love having the actual DVD because we live in a world now where subscriptions are everything and the internet is everything. So I love me a good old DVD because the internet doesn't always work. So whenever that happens, I literally just pop a movie into my DVD player and the girls watch it, and I love being able to have the ones that they really like. I almost wasn't gonna buy these, but I was like, you know what, if I don't get it now, I'm not gonna find it next time. So I always make sure the DVD is good. I like to check that. And I did found this one at Goodwill, and I have never seen it, but it's a Disney Princess A Christmas Enchantment, and it has all the princesses in here. I found one item for myself. I found a pair of wide leg pants. This is by the brand Pure Jill, and this was $3.99. So it just looks like this. It's a wide pant leg, and it's super cute. Next, I got Mossy a long sleeve swim top, and this was $2.99. If I can give any parent a tip, I would definitely say buy your seasonal items secondhand. Sometimes these kind of pieces for like a full 2-piece, it's like at least $20 to $25. Like, they're not cheap. And for Mavis, I got this cute tank top. This is by the brand Victory Heart, and this is in a size 6. It's for like an older girl, but from the look of it, I'm pretty sure this is gonna fit her. And I got this one for $2.99. I got this pair of dry fit short. This is actually in a extra small, a 4 to 5, so I think this might be a little big on Mavis. Got this one for $2.99. I also found this pair of like dry fit. This one was $2.99. I originally wanted to find my girls some long dry fit pants, but they don't really have any because being at the ocean, I know it's gonna get cold, so I wanted them to be like fully covered. That's all I wanted to share for my thrift items today, and so I need to start packing. I already did most of it, but I will take you guys along with me and show you guys how I pack for my family of 4.
Honestly, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care that she's cool, funny too, pretty hair. It almost seems to me you're on jealousy, but please, there's no need, I don't care, couldn't care less, I swear.
It's been quite a few hours already, but I just wanted to show you guys my refrigerator. I cleared everything out because I know coming back from Seattle we're gonna have some food and I want to make sure we have space to put everything. I cleaned my kitchen. These are just some random things that are gonna have to be here for a little bit. This is all my tech gear that I'm taking with me. This is probably the cleanest my kitchen has been in a really long time. I swept and I mopped, and I still haven't cleaned off this wall of Mavis's artwork because I'm not gonna lie, I honestly think it's kind of cute. It actually makes me pretty happy when I look at this because, you know, they're kids. They're just gonna do whatever, and she's gonna grow up one day and I'm gonna miss this. So I've just been enjoying it. It's 4:30 right now and my parents have been watching my girls all day. I feel really bad, but I just really want to get stuff done. Whenever we go like camping or to the beach, I like to keep my girls this like swim stuff, water things in this clear bag. It's just easier for me to see. Also, so much easier for my husband as well. So I try to keep all like their water stuff, extra clothes and diapers all in here, so that way I don't have to dig through multiple bags. I know exactly what's in here. I'm double checking to make sure I have all of our toiletries, and I got this from work, and this is by the brand Brooks Brother, and I've never actually had one that hangs on the door. I like to put everything in a Ziploc bag because the last thing you want to deal with is stuff exploding all over. I love travel size items. I love mini things, so I'm always so excited when I get to pack my mini stuff. Love you. She just woke up not too long ago, so she's extra clingy right now, and don't mind her onesie. She ate ice cream at my mom's house, so it's completely staying. I'm not even gonna worry about it. They'll just get a bath later. Up here I have our toothbrushes. I like to put them in these cases just because it keeps it like more sanitary. You can also just use like Ziploc bags. That works too. I used to do that. For the smaller compartment right here, I have Mossy's cream for her eczema. I also have a travel size Destin for diaper rashes, and then I have 2 travel size toothpaste. I also have both my girls' toothbrush. I'm just gonna stick it up here. This is my first time trying the Native brand for shampoo, and I actually really like it. I feel like it doesn't dry out my hair. It doesn't strip like all the oils. I'm also just gonna put it in here again so all the shampoos are together. So for makeup remover and skincare, I am bringing my Kirkland Daily Makeup Wipes. I have my cellular water in here. I also really like the Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm. And then for face wash, I have a morning one. Then for at night, I'm just gonna use my Ultra Facial Cleanser. And then for sunscreen, I am bringing the Kiehl's Better Screen UV Serum. And then for dark spot treatments, I am bringing this Kiehl's one as well. I just can't remember the name, but I put it into this little droplet bottle that I got from Daiso. I use a lot of things that I get from Daiso. Even though it's cheap, it works really well. I have some cotton pads, and then Q-tips I just put in the Ziploc bag. I have a bar soap, and some contact solutions. I don't know if this is just because they're like nursed or if regular bottle fed babies are like this too, but my girls are super cuddly and they love physical touch. Like they love being right next to me. Like when they sleep, they either have to like hold me, or Mossy puts her like hands on my face like how Mavis used to do, or they put their feet on my belly, and she actually like will get up in the middle of the night and sleep on top of my bellies. It's so funny that she does that, but she literally will just lay on me so I can't get up. Are you being silly? I love you. Mommy cho nửa hát lúc mỗi xia. Well, Daddy's taking us, but it's Mommy's idea. Mommy does all the planning and Daddy just makes all of Mommy's wishes come true. This is what my medium-sized suitcase looks like. I have both the girls' stuff on this side and then me and my husband's on this side. I like to use these packing cubes. I've had these for probably like almost 8 years, I'm gonna say. I got these when we went to Minnesota. They're really great to have because especially if you're sharing luggage, separating your clothes makes it so much easier to open a luggage and just grab what you need without things falling out of place. And then for my girls, I have both their stuff in here. I just have it separated. And I'm also bringing 2 beach towels. I wasn't gonna bring any, but I honestly don't want to be using the Airbnb's towels at the beach. And I know my girls get really dirty, and I was just gonna bring one and have them share, but after last week's day at the lake, they both need their own because otherwise one of them is gonna be shivering while the other one is warmed. And then it does have a zipper so I can zip to make sure that nothing falls out. I usually like to have our outfits that we're gonna wear in the morning out in the living room so that way we're not digging for them.